morning. Excuse me.
Ooh, good morning. Hey, man. Hey, look, I hope y'all enjoying the journey so far, man. Just not even the Gage experience, but the whole just me vlogging kind of back to back, because I fell off bad. I ain't vlogging like 3 days, 4 days, maybe 5 days. I don't even know. But boy, that's just, I told you, man, it's hard trying to vlog every day, man. I ain't lying. But I hope y'all enjoying the channel, man. Hope y'all enjoying all the content. If you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and consider subscribing, man. If you're not new to the channel, man, y'all already know how it go, man. What's that? Yeah, y'all already know how it goes, so I continue doing what y'all doing, man. Like, comment, share, man. Headed to the workhouse again, man. Up before the birds. Up before the birds. My dog sitting a Chevy boy, man. Look at it. Look at it. Yes, sir. Got Big Zeus out this morning, man. Big Zeus must got that good heat in there. Big Zeus got that good heat. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, shit.
What up, Joe?
Boy, you know I ain't got no power on us.
I thought you were power, man.
Man, no, man. Hey, look. Ain't nothing in this junk got no power in it.
Oh,
nothing.
That's the slider, though.
That's the slider.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm just hollering at you, man. I'm headed to this shop.
Head to the shop.
Yeah.
Good deal, good deal.
All
Alright, okay.
Alright.
Yeah, man, y'all see it, man. We got 7-8 ship boy, man. And Big Zeus. Say he finna go chop, man. Yeah. We, man, like I said, we headed to the workhouse, man. Grown man stuff, man. It's grown man stuff going on this channel, man. Headed to the workhouse. Trying to provide for our families, man. Staying out the way when you ain't trying to hurt nobody. Unless you get in my lane. You get in my lane and I got to move you. I gotta move. But anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all, man, when I get up to this truck, man, cause yeah, I feel like I'm just babbling. So yeah. Catch y'all then. Bro, it's crazy. Y'all seen what I had going on yesterday, man, over here on Lamar, man. Man, I'm going back today, man. To let y'all see what's going on, man. For real. Because it was good. I'm finna, man, look. I'm finna go to these folks. These my people, man. I'm finna go to these folks every chance I get. Until I done had everything on their menu. You hear me? Heel boys. I'm gonna go park in the turn lane again. I'm finna get them nachos today, though. I'm gonna let y'all see them nachos. I'm finna get them nachos today. Them nachos sound good. I hope they got them, man. I hope they ain't like, man, we ain't got them right now. I need that. Pull up. To the trap. Get myself together, man. Getting myself together. I ought to pull on the lot, but I ain't gonna even do it. Man, you better get over, nigga, because you ain't gonna win. Yes, sir. Back at the trap. Hill Boys Wing and Burger Bar. $3711 Lamar Avenue, man. Y'all need to be over here. Y'all pull up to the town, man. Y'all need to be over here, man. See what these folks got going on. Yo, y'all caught me on the live, man. But hey, look, man, I had to go back to the spot, man. Where my people live, man. Hill Boys, man. Had to go back to the spot, man. Check me out. This right here is the ultimate supreme nachos, man. Chicken, steak, and beef, man. Salsa, cheese, jalapenos, man. This time I got the they ain't had that Miami Nights no more. So this time I got the Blood Moon, man. Let me see what this right here taste like. See, man, it's just so many flavors, man. I know we got orange in here. I think I'm tasting some strawberry or some cherry or something. I don't know what I'm tasting, but it's good, man. That shit like crack. Jesus Christ. But yeah, man, I'm finna munch this on down right quick, man. I'm a munch. But I munch this on down, man, with the Doritos. These ain't no regular chip, man. These Doritos. Throw this down, and yeah, I hit y'all back. I don't even know if I'm being finished this. I ain't gonna lie. That burger was hard yesterday. I don't know if I'm finna be able to finish this. Whew. Man, just waking up in the morning. Gotta thank God. Woo. Yes, sir. Hey, man, we back up in here with another one of the things, man. You know, we don't do too much spectaculars, but I mean, we try. To everybody that's been here, man, what's happening? Hope y'all enjoying the content. Trying to keep it rolling, man. Trying to keep it rolling. Today, man, I got a few things. Man, my freezer light went out. Yeah, freezer light went out, and it's this bulb right here. But Home Depot and Lowe's didn't have it, so I'm gonna try some other places this morning. Hopefully they don't close before I get to moving around, because I don't want to order it and they'll be order the wrong thing. But I'm finna try to knock some breakfast out for these kids real quick. Yeah, so man, with that being said, man, like I said, man, go ahead and consider subscribing, man, liking, commenting, sharing, man, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's get the day started. Yeah, so I ain't done a whole lot of research, man, on these on this gauging, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna as y'all can see them top ones up there. That's what's in my ear right now. That's the 14. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these, cause I think it's they're supposed to stay in for like 30 days before I try to gauge up. So I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is, instead of having these long ones in my ear like this, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these shorter ones in there in like probably like 15 days, 20 days, something like that. But I'm gonna do some research first though before I do that, because I probably can do it sooner. I ain't sure. So yeah, put the shorter ones in there and then gauge up with the taper, and that'll be a 12. This one here, that second row right there, that's a 12, and then the bottom one down here is a 10. So yeah, gauge up. Well, before I gauge up and put them shorter ones in, I'll probably leave these in for a little while longer. Leave them in for a little while longer and then try the plugs. So yeah, but I will be keeping y'all updated, man, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. I have plenty of info for you.